our previous lesson, we talked about how to pick a sprite and change the costume, and how to pick a backdrop and edit the backdrop. So we're going into details on how to pick a sprite, change the costume, pick a backdrop, and edit the backdrop. So let's pick a sprite. Let's pick this bat, for instance. So we go to the costumes of the bat. We can move each part of the bat, and all the parts of the bat are made up of blocks. So we can fill colors for the bat. We can change the costumes of the bat. Let's say we can do this. We can do different things. So we can also paint a sprite. Maybe let me just do a little sprite. So this is the little sprite that I created. And now we can pick a subscribe sprite, which we just pick a sprite randomly. And we can also upload a sprite from our computer. So this is sprite we're going to upload. There is a lot of sprites on our screen now, so we're going to hide each one. And all the sprites, you won't be able to see them again. So we want to make some costumes for these particular sprites. Now we have all of our costumes. So we go back to code. And now we want to pick a backdrop just like we did for the sprites. We click there and we can pick any backdrop we want. We can also edit the backdrop. We can also edit the backdrop. And whenever we click backdrop, this costume tab changes to a backdrop tab. And now we can edit the backdrop. Let's say we can do different things with the backdrop. You can flip it vertical, flip horizontal, just like that. And you can backspace all the things you do. So now we can also paint our own backdrop. And now we can pick a surprise backdrop, which just picks a backdrop randomly. And we can also upload a backdrop. So we can edit the backdrop we uploaded. We can also pick a sound. We can also record the sound, any sound we want to record, just like this. And we can also use a surprise sound where it will just show a sound that we didn't pick randomly. And we can also use uploading a sound. So we're going to upload this sound and press open, and it will open it on Scratch. And now we want to cut some of the parts we don't need in this sound. So this is how we're going to So we press copy to new, and we have a new sound right here. So we can play this. So we go to code. Now we want to make a code for our backdrop. So we say when green flag clicked, control forever, and then we say sounds, play sound icon 3 for until done. And we can make a sound for our sprite also. Let's delete all these other sprites because we don't need them right now. So we say when green flag clicked, control forever, wait 1 second, we change it to 0.2 seconds, and then we can say next costume. So let's see what happens when we want to change the backdrop. So we go to this backdrop here, and one thing you should know, whenever you click backdrop, this costume tab always changes to backdrop. So you can change the backdrop to whichever backdrop you want. Let's delete all these other backdrops. So now we have the backdrop we need. So now we're done with today's lesson, and there'll always be a small task,
a tiny quest
for every lesson. And today's tiny quest will be you are to create a small animation where your sprite will be doing a silly dance across the screen.